Welcome back to another episode of Koolaid Outdoors, everybody. Today we're doing an unboxing of our new camera gear. I'm so excited. Hopefully that'll be better. I'm standing on the side of my truck because the wind's starting to blow, of course. But today we're gonna be unboxing some new, like I said, some new camera gear and show you my setup that I filmed with earlier today. And then my new camera came in tonight, so I'm super excited we get to change it because I rewatched the film and it was kind of shaky. I wasn't too big a fan of it, so hopefully this will help out a lot and be a lot better angles and everything. So stick around, let's get this done. All right, before we get started, this is what I was filming with earlier today. Got my chesty, but I was using my phone as, my phone on there, and it did all right, but it was super close and it was just not wide enough, and it was kind of shaky. So hopefully we can get rid of that now. All right, let's dive into this unboxing. I peeked a little bit earlier, so that's why the box is open. I didn't take everything out. I just peeked to see what this was. This is a memory card. If it'll focus, come on. Or not. Anyhow, 64 gig or 64 megabyte. No gig. My bad. 64 gig. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's start with these. What is this? This is the new adapter so we can charge it while we're filming. That's good. Obviously you can see what it's about to be. A new GoPro. Let's see what else we got. New charger, battery. Got some extra batteries so we can keep on filming. Let's see what else we got. Got some mounts so I can mount it in certain places all over the place. So that'll be handy. Maybe mount some in the windshield of the truck. Let's see what else we got. Oh, now the spare battery. That's gonna be handy. So I should have 3 batteries total. And a new mount, new gooseneck mount, if I move my finger. Heck yeah. And then the coup de grace, however you say that. Bam! Got the new fancy one. So excited for this. Let's see if we can get this open one-handed. I don't know how this is gonna go. Come on. Okay, got a phone call. Now we're back at it. Maybe. Come on. Holy cow. Whoa, I didn't know it had its own case. Alright, hold on a second. Okay. Got the box open finally. Ooh, fancy. I didn't know it came with its own case. That's pretty cool. First new GoPro, or actually the first GoPro I've ever bought. So that's pretty exciting. Whoa. Ooh, yeah. Fine. I'm really hoping this turns out to be a lot better for everybody, me included, but I'm hoping the video is way better. Ooh, this thing's fancy. Nice. Let's see what else is in here. Alright. Charging cable. Battery. Man, those things are tiny. Oh, extra battery. Some extra mounts. Ooh, even a sticky one. That's cool. And then the screw for it, of course. A quick detach. Nice. Well, should we see if it's charged enough you can use it for a few minutes? And to be honest, I don't even know how to turn it on. Does this button work? Nope. Oh, maybe the big red one. Oh, you know what? I guess it would help if I put the battery in it, huh? That would probably help significantly. All right, give me just a second. Okay, now I got the battery in. I've never owned one of these. That was fun trying to open that up. Let's see if this works. Nope. What button is it? Guess it would help if I read it probably. There it is. It's kind of getting a little dark out here. Look at that sunset though. Gorgeous. Should do some fishing real quick while I'm here. Might as well, right? Yeah. See, works. Let me set it up and switch over to this and we'll check it out. So, be right with you. But first, you know, you gotta have the satisfaction of this, right? Pulling off the, oh yeah. There. Alrighty folks, well we got the new GoPro on. What do you think so far? Alright, well I'm gonna throw this stuff away real quick. I just heard some fish jump. So I am gonna sneak out here and throw a couple lines in. Why not, right? Let's get her done real quick. Alright, well we got stuff just thrown in there really fast. I heard some fish jumping, so I want to throw a couple lines in, and this will be a good test for the GoPro because one, my battery life's not very good. I only got 15% left, so we'll see how that goes. And two, it's getting dark, so we'll see how long this thing keeps, you know, good video till it gets dark. And man, those fish were jumping right up here. Need to cast up further. Oh, that was a rock, I think. Whew. They got me though. They got me. What is going on here? Oh, nothing. Guess everything's good. Alright, let's get this. Oh, shoot. Bad cast. I'm loving this super view. Can actually see what I'm doing with the reel and stuff. I don't know how straight you are. Whew, that wind is a little on the brisk side. Come on, fishy, fishy. It'd be nice to catch one before dark. I fished earlier today and didn't have no luck at all, so it's kind of nice to at least catch one today. But don't know if that's gonna happen or not. And two, I better not get too far from my truck. I forgot to lock it. And at night, this place is kind of sketchy by yourself. By the way, in the comments below, will you guys tell me what you guys think of the new angle, the new GoPro? Let me know how it is. See if you guys like it better than what I was doing. Hopefully this way you get to see a lot more of the action when I actually do catch a fish, because being on a tripod, I pretty much miss everything that happens because I don't set it back far enough, of course. So yeah, let me know below. See what you guys think. See if it's any better. And I read all my comments, so. And also, I don't know how well this is tonight. There's some settings I gotta change in here that I've been doing some research on. So hopefully they'll, you know, the quality will be better. Hopefully it's pretty good for as dark as it is. We'll see. But I'm gonna change a few settings. Hopefully it'll get better for you guys. Them dang rocks. I think that's rocks. Yeah, that's rocks. Oh, yep, definitely rocks. Dang it. Shouldn't have slowed it up. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, got it. Holy cow, I got it. Lucky. Heck yeah, didn't hurt it at all. Even when it hit the rocks. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa. Alrighty folks, last cast. Wall right in the wind. Okay, never mind. Not last cast. Almost last cast. Whew. Found some moss on that one. That's nasty. Oh, fish just jumped right there too. And right there. And right there. And they're jumping everywhere. That's really shallow right there. Man, this spot is shallow. Alright, that's the last cast. Better head back to the truck. Alright everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed the new camera. Should be hopefully getting better when there's better lighting. Hopefully it's even better. Channel update also. My plan is to upload once a week on Sundays as of right now. Just want to let you guys know so you guys know what to look forward to. Since my uploading has been kind of weird, I wanted to set an actual schedule and upload that on that day. So I'm planning on Sundays once a week, and if I get enough videos ahead, then maybe I can start up in, you know, 2 a week or something. So look forward to that one a week on Sunday. Subscribe below. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next adventure. I'm out.